Hi, welcome back. In this short video, I wanted to point you to a resource that gives you the extra opportunity to practice the concepts in Chapter 11. There's no mini exercise associated with this video, but let me show you the resource. It's under Other Resources on Blackboard, and it's called Chapter 11 Sheet Bend Mini Case. And it's a little case study with some facts and a forecast income statement for a project. And the idea is we need to evaluate this project and determine whether or not to pursue it, right? Is it a positive NPV project? Well, we've got a discount rate at the end of the case. And then our task is to figure out what cash flows to put on the cash flow timeline. So this case study, it's of a level of detail that's much greater than what I would expect to see on an assignment or an exam in this class. But it's a good opportunity. If you read through this, you'll see examples of some of the guiding principle things we talked about in class, right? Like an opportunity cost or some other things, investments in working capital, and so on. So if you want extra practice working with this, read through it and see if you can recognize some of these examples of guiding principles, maybe one or two. And then also based on this forecast income statement, you can practice computing the operating cash flows for the project based on the information that's presented. If you want to go further and fully evaluate the project, is it a positive NPV project? Feel free to run your work by me. But just some extra opportunities to practice and reinforce the things that we talked about in Chapter 11. So this is not for credit. I just thought it'd be useful to have a little extra opportunity to practice. So thanks as always for tuning in. See you next time.